So in the first 7 days of this month, this page made $7,811 with 35 cents and has an RPM of $2.32, which we're actually working on improving over the next 90 days. And that came from 3.4 million views. And this was a result from 2 videos that went viral in the last week. So we're going to talk about exactly how we did this and how we were able to get it to a point where now this page is averaging over $1,000 per day. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lester Diaz. What I just show you are the results from one of my coaching clients, and we took his page from making about $200 per day to now making over $1,000 per day. And don't worry, I'm gonna explain exactly how we were able to do that. So please, all I'm asking is that you like the video, and also if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, consider subscribing. I know I haven't posted a video about Facebook Instagram ads in a while. That's because I have a ton of videos on my channel talking about making money on Facebook and Facebook Instagram ads, and I just don't want to put the same content over and over again for you guys. So I want to be able to bring you different types of content and videos to help you guys, not just with Facebook Instagram ads, but I know you guys enjoy watching this type of videos. So what I'm going to be doing from now on is every once in a while, I'm going to be sharing some of the success stories that I have from my coaching clients, how I'm helping those clients actually get results on Facebook and make more money. Now, before I get into my clients' results, if this is the first time you're hearing about Facebook Instagram ads and you have no idea what it is or how to make money on Facebook, let me give you a quick breakdown. Facebook Instagram ads is Facebook's video monetization tool, allowing creators like you and I to basically launch Facebook pages and monetize their videos just like you can do on YouTube. And in order to qualify, you need 10,000 followers on your page, 600,000 minutes of watch time, and you also need 5 videos uploaded on your page. So guys, like I mentioned, I have a ton of videos on my channel talking about making money on Facebook and talking about specifically Facebook Instagram ads. So go back to my channel, check some of those videos out. I'm pretty sure they're gonna help you understand exactly what Facebook Instagram ad is and how you can get started. Now let's talk about this Facebook page that made close to $8,000 in the first 7 days of September. And it was a combination of 2 things. One of the biggest factors that drives how much money you will make from your Facebook page is your RPM. If you have a high RPM, that means you'll be able to make more money for every 1,000 views on your videos. Let's say you're getting 100,000 views at the end of the month and you're getting paid $1 for every 1,000 views. If you're able to double that RPM to $2 instead of 1, then that means you'll make twice the money for the same amount of views you're getting on your Facebook page. So every time I work with new clients, one of the main things that I like to focus on is what's your RPM, what's your audience, how many views you're getting, how can we improve your videos and actually get more views, and also how can we improve your RPM to make sure you make more money for the same amount of views you're already getting. And that's exactly what we did. We created a video format, a viral video format that is proven to work. I've used this in multiple Facebook pages for myself and my clients, and it works 100% of the time. This video format is quite simple. It's a video designed to capture your attention within the first 5 seconds of the video playing. As you know, when you're browsing on Facebook, videos typically autoplay, so you need to grab your audience attention within the first few seconds. And guys, as you might understand, this is one of my clients' page, and I cannot show you his page or the back end of his videos or any of that, because even though I asked for permission from my client to make this video, I'm simply showing you guys what's possible with Facebook Instagram ads. There's a possibility on Facebook to make more money, way more money from Facebook Instagram ads than what you can make on YouTube. I know so many influencers and YouTubers who are making 2 or 3 times more money from Facebook than what they're making from their videos on YouTube. So even though Facebook is still in the beginning stages of optimizing this monetization tool, because they still need to work on support, they still have many issues that they need to fix, this is still a big money maker. So if you can actually jump into Facebook and deal with some of the BS that they throw your way, which I've been dealing with for the past few years, you can still make a lot of money. It's a matter of understanding the platform and diversifying across multiple Facebook pages and knowing exactly what works and what doesn't work. So the second thing I did for my client is work to improve his RPM. And one of the simplest and fastest way to improve an RPM is by simply increasing audiences from tier 1 countries. Tier 1 countries are countries where most advertising are spending the most money. We're talking about the United States, Canada, United Kingdom. Usually advertisers will throw a lot of money into Facebook campaigns inside of those countries, so there's more competition, and of course they're paying way more money. In the case of my client, with about 300,000 followers on his page, about 80% of his followers was from tier 3 countries. We're talking about India and many of the countries where you will find a very low RPM. So one of the things that we focus on is how can we invest and create highly targeted ads to get really targeted followers that is going to allow us to increase that RPM little by little. And that's exactly what we did, and we were able to double that RPM in less than 30 days. And by optimizing his videos to a point where he was able to get more views per video while we were actually growing the Facebook page, 2 of his videos went viral, and that resulted in him making over $7,000 in the first 7 days of the month. So that's basically the process that we did to be able to generate results like this. And guys, I have a ton of other videos on my channel where I show you guys results and earnings from Facebook Instagram. Facebook Instagram, it's a real thing, just like the YouTube Partner Program. It's a matter of joining and learning how to grow Facebook pages. And if you have no idea how to build and grow and monetize a Facebook page, go ahead and check out my Facebook Income School course. This is my advanced training where I show you step by step from beginning to end how to build a Facebook page, how to grow to 10,000 followers, and how to monetize that page. Now, one of the big announcements that I have for you guys in this video is that I'm opening my coaching services to more people. Many of you have reached out to me on Instagram asking me whether I had more spots available for my coaching. And to be honest with you, I didn't want to open my coaching to a lot of people because the more clients you get, the more difficult it is to manage multiple people. So what I've done is completely change my coaching packages to basically be able to help you guys specifically with Facebook ads and be able to provide you one-on-one support, answer your questions, talk to you on the phone, talk to you via email. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the link in the description below. You can go ahead and apply for my coaching and see if it fits for you and what you want to do, whether it's Facebook pages, whether it's monetizing your content, whether it's affiliate marketing or growing your brand on Facebook or outside of Facebook, then go ahead and check out my coaching in the description below. You have some videos planned in regards to Facebook Instagram ads and making money on Facebook. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you who are continuously supporting me and watching my videos and follow me on Instagram and sending me DMs and all of that. So thank you very much, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.